Chapter 6, Stem Changing Verbs. First, I will talk about the E to IE verbs. There are three types of infinitives. There's the AR, ER, and IR. Infinitives are made up of two parts. The ending and the stem. For example, hablar, HABL would be the stem, and the AR would be the ending, and same for comer and vivir. COM is the stem, and the EIR is the ending, and VIV is the stem, and the IR is the ending. With regular verbs, the stem change with regular verbs, the stem can stay the same, and the endings can change as they conjugate, like hablo, hablas, habla, hablamos, hablo, hablas, habla, hablamos, and hablan, and como, comes, come, comemos, comen, and vivo, vives, viven, vimos, and bien. With some verbs, the stems change. The stems also change when you conjugate them. In the present tense, there's three groups of stem changing verbs: the O to UE, the E to IE, and the E to I. With the second group of stem changing verbs, the letter E in the stem changes to IE in all forms except the nosotros and the vosotros form. Curar, cirar, seal, cerrar, and that the E changes to IE in each one of those forms. Another E to IE changing verb is entender and comer and comer. Notice that the endings are the same for the regular verbs as the stem changing verbs, and it's just the stem that changes. Like for comer, como, comes, come, comemos, and comen, and entiendo, entendes, entende, entendemos, and entender. Another E to IE stem changing verb. Notice that the stems don't change in the nosotros form. Mentir. The E changes to IE in that word. Miento, mientes, miente, mitemos, and miten. There's a list of common E Ta'ai stem changing verbs is accentar, which means to guess. Cerrar means to close. What's another one? Mentar means to lie, and pensar means to begin. And these are stem changing verbs. But with the O to UE stem changing verbs, you have to they follow something a little different. It goes, well, no, they're the same. So habla, let's see, contar, and it'll be contío, contas, and sentas and senta and sentan for those stem changing verbs, and for movar and comer, which was comer is a regular verb, but mover is an irregular stem changing verb. So it'll be the O turns into UE. So it's movo, moves, move, movemos, movían, and the same with dormir. Dormir is gonna turn into dormir. Duermo, duermes, duermen, duermimos, and duermien. And here's another list of O to UE stem changing verbs. Almorzar, to eat. Colar is to hang. Movar is to move. Recordar is to record. Volver is to return. Dormir, to sleep.